Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dude, what are you doing? You kidding me?
It doesn't do anything except create distrust.
Seriously?
Wow. Oh my God, Dad.
Yeah.
Crap.
Yeah,
That's
me
all right.
too. He's just staring us down.
Dude.
Come over, dude.
Oh my gosh.
What an idiot.
Whoa. Jesus. This dude almost just got ran over in the car wash. What the?
It's not detecting the key fob. So I'm like, okay, clearly it's a battery issue with the key fob. That's fine. But wait a second. It keeps dinging. Key fob not detected in vehicle. And I'm driving going, is stop. What happens if you don't have a key fob in the vehicle or your battery dies in the middle of a ride? Like what?
I'm not fussing. I'm not fussing. I just said, Mama, ain't no snow around. You better not pull out in front of me, you bastard. Ain't no nigga alive, ain't my telephone. Ain't no nigga alive, ain't my telephone. Ain't my telephone. Come find out yourself that
Holy shit. Call 911. Are you alright? Are you good? Seriously, are you good? Dude, I wasn't moving. I was stopped. Yeah, man.
No, sir, this school does not want anyone to get jobs.
Yeah. Oh! Got that one. Gray car.
You fucking dude. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Fuck. God damn it.
Thing like for the what do you call it? Oh my god. What the and he's flipping you off.
Oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Jesus fuck.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.